Who loves summer, and especially the beautiful textures of the wonderful produce that's around through summer? It's absolutely phenomenal. And you go to picnics, you go to barbecues, and you think, what am I going to bring? What can I bring to these people? So my friend asked me if I could make him the pasta salad that I always make. So I've changed it around. And this is the wonderful, delicious texture of this wonderful summer salad. Have a look. It's absolutely gorgeous. Filled with beautiful sun-dried tomato pesto. It's got kransky in it, broccoli in it, wonderful coleslaw, heirloom tomatoes, and much more. If you want to know how I've made it, come and watch me make it, and I'll see you there. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, and I would love it. I'll see you there. Ciao.